Kabayan, ready ka na bang maging certified and skilled caregiver? Dito sa ICSA Kuwait, we offer hands-on caregiver practical training na talagang makakatulong sa future career mo. Dito, matututunan mo ang nursing care skills, vital signs, BP, glucose check, PPE, wound dressing, and more. Plus, elderly care training tulad ng SEP transfer, assistive devices at Heimlich maneuver. At syempre, may bonus topic pa, CPR, body mechanics, at skin and body care. Kung gusto mong maboost ang caregiving skills mo, this is your sign to enroll. 3 months duration lang and makakatanggap ka ng CPD accredited certificate after the course. Perfect for aspiring caregivers and healthcare workers abroad. Once a week classes lang face-to-face dito lang sa ICSA Kuwait City. And the best part is pwede kang mag-enroll with 50% discount kaya habol na habang available pa ang discount. For more details, message us now on our WhatsApp number at +9659-302-850. This is Miss Mumina with ICSA, your partner in success.